Hello. First and foremost, on behalf of Volvo Car Thailand, I would like to sincerely apologise to those of you with affected Volvo EX30 cars for any inconvenience and uncertainty this situation has caused. We are grateful for the trust you have placed in us, and we deeply appreciate your patience and understanding during this time. As you know, we recently identified a potential issue affecting certain model year 2024 to 2026 EX30 single motor and also twin motor performance vehicles. This has only affected specific EX30 vehicles, with other EX30 variants and other Volvo car models unaffected. This issue relates to a limited number of battery modules supplied for the affected vehicles, which in rare cases could overheat when charged to a high level. Once the remedy was identified, we immediately began working closely with our suppliers and the relevant authorities to implement the solution as quickly as possible. We are on track with our battery module replacement program, and as of today, we have completed more than 50% of affected vehicles in Thailand. We will continue working with the intention to complete the remaining replacements for our customers in Thailand by the end of August. Importantly, the replacement battery modules have successfully passed safety testing conducted in Thailand in accordance with the UNECE R100 protocol. This is an internationally recognised safety standard governing the safe design and performance of electric vehicle batteries. These results have been approved by the Thailand Automotive Institute, and it's an important step in satisfying the safety testing required by the Thai authorities. On top of that, batteries are tested every 6 months at a state-of-the-art laboratory in Germany to comply with UNECE regulations as a standard practice. To date, we have received no reports of injuries related to this issue anywhere in the world, and no reports of incidents of any kind involving vehicles charged below 70%. As a precautionary measure, please continue to keep affected vehicles charged below this level until your battery module replacement is complete. We have taken this issue very seriously from the very beginning, and we continue to do so. Safety has always been at the heart of everything we do for the past 99 years, and that dedication remains unchanged. We remain committed to taking the right actions, supporting our customers throughout this process, and continuing to earn your confidence through our actions. While our focus has been and will remain on our Thai consumers locally, we are part of a global car company operating across the world, and also need to adhere to any internal processes. This does mean that sometimes we may not be able to respond to customers as quickly as we would like. Thank you sincerely for your trust, patience, and for allowing us to remain part of your daily life. We continue to stand by our customers and will work to resolve this situation responsibly and with care. Thank you.